In this short video, I will show you how to resolve this error on Microsoft PowerPoint. So as you can see, if I try to insert this video in Microsoft PowerPoint, I get this error. What you want to do to solve this error is to go on Google and you're going to search for Canva, which is a free app. Then you're going to log in and you're going to create a video. Then what you want to do after you get to the video editor in Canva is to add your video to the timeline in Canva. So let's do that. We're going to click on it and drag it to the timeline, like so. What we want to do from here is to convert it to the MP4. So what you're going to do is to click on share in top right corner. Then you're going to scroll down till you see the download button, and here you're going to choose that file type MP4 video. Then you're going to click on download. As you can see, our video has been downloaded, so what we want to do now is to click on it, then we're going to drag it to the Microsoft presentation. And as you can see now, it's working. All you got to do now is to choose where you want to put it, you can change the duration, and you can resize it on the slide. And as you can see, we can now play the video. And as simple as this, you can fix this error. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.